hippopotamus. Now the adults can stay underwater for up to 8 minutes, but they can't swim though. What they do is walk around and push themselves along the river bottom. They stay underwater for so long just to try and regulate their body temperature, keep those large bodies from overheating. They weigh anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 pounds. So look at those ones over there. Now we're actually very lucky to see them outside the water. They usually stay inside most of the day. They are quite clumsy once they're outside. See, they usually don't stay outside the water for long. They're quite clumsy once they're out. They can't walk very well because they're so big and heavy. Oh, look at the little baby one.
I see you down there. You are in bush country. Drive carefully. I don't want you bumping into my animals.
You should begin to see a wide variety of grass-eating animals.
Right, once again, look at the reticulated giraffes. Guys, this is one of the very few opportunities I have to stop, so take as many pictures as you would like. Pull up a little bit. It's moving. It's supposed to stop, but they can take pictures of you. The tallest animal in the world can be as tall as 20 feet. There is a younger one. I believe this is the one. That one's about 4.5 years old. Probably gonna get much taller than that. Next to the giraffe, those are some impalas. Now those are female impalas. We know they're females because they don't have any horns. Males have horns. Oh yes, there are some males over there. They're young males. Their horns are not fully grown. Now the impalas are capable of leaping bounds of up to 30 feet up in the air. Now look at the white-bearded wildebeest over here. They get their name from the Afrikaans word wildebeest, which means wild cattle.
All right.
The little guys with the black stripe on their white belly are the Thompson's gazelles, or Tommies. A little further up, the bigger ones, those are the Patterson's elands, the largest of the antelope family. And look at the male impala. That's what the horns look like once they're full grown. Look over here on your left. That's one of our female elephants. They can weigh anywhere from 6,000 to 8,000 pounds. Poor females have it tough though. They carry the baby for 22 months. Yeah, during their lifespan of up to 6. From the puppies now, will do. Now guys, look at the zebras over here. Now those stripes on the zebras are just like fingerprints. There's no two stripes alike. Now what color is the zebra's skin? Black, yes. The skin is black and they have white stripes even though it looks hour. But they can't run long distances though. Their small bodies will overheat, keeping them from catching their prey. I'm at the copies right now, but sorry, I don't see anything suspicious here. Over.
Okay, Simba One, but keep your eyes open for anything unusual. Over.
Roger that, Wilson. Oh, guys, look on top on your left. There's the male lion. He's sleeping. Sleeping too. Oh, of course, she needs the rest. She's gonna go do some hunting at night. Oh, look to your far right. There's some ostriches out there. There's also the scimitar horned oryx.
Calling Warden Mutua, over.
Mutua here.
There are ivory poachers in the reserve. They shot Big Red. She is wounded.
Oh,
What
no.
about Little Red?
No word yet.
Where was he last seen?
Magadi Gorge.
Okay, you head there.
Roger.
Simba One,
Yes,
we
Wilson?
must stop the poachers.
Okay.
I am landing at Magadi Gorge to block off the east end. If you come in from the west, we could charm them.
Okay.
Please, Civil One, we need your help.
All right, Wilson. All right, guys, did everybody hear that now? Wilson needs our help with the poachers. They've got Big Red and Little Red. You guys want to help us out? Yeah. All right, folks, let's go get those poachers. Symbol 1 to Wilson. I'm at the crossroads right now and the gates have been smashed through. What do you want us to do?
Keep going, Timberman.
All right.
We are landing now.
All right, everybody. Hang on to the kids.
Timberman.
Yes,
We
Wilson?
spotted the poachers. Head east. Force them toward us.
All right, Wilson, we'll do. Everybody hang on. Oh no, the poachers! Oh, everybody's out there trying to shoot at us. Oh, folks are around here somewhere. Can hear them. Oh, watch out for these geysers. Oh, you may get wet. Oh, folks, I don't like this one bit. Oh no, folks, look, it's the poachers' camp. Oh, looks like they've been here for a couple of days. But hopefully we cut them off.
We caught them, Timberman. You forced them into our trap.
The Wardens have Big Red. She'll be fine.
Hey, Warden, tell me, is Little Red safe?
Little Red's okay in the back of the truck, Mom.
Great job, Warden. See, Wilson.
I have to deliver the baby elephant back to his mama. As not dishonor.